Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data merge in InDesign. Data merge is a powerful feature that allows you to quickly create many variations of a document from a single template. Imagine needing to produce 100 personalized certificates. Manually typing each name would be incredibly time-consuming. Data merge streamlines this process by linking your InDesign layout to an external data source, saving you hours of repetitive work and ensuring accuracy across all your documents. Before diving into InDesign, preparing your data is crucial. Your data should be in a CSV or tab-delimited text file, with the first row acting as your field headers. For example, if you're merging 1,000 records, you'd have columns like first name, last name, and street address. Make sure your data is clean and consistent. Even a single extra space can cause issues. For image merges, include the full file path in a dedicated data column. Now, let's set up your InDesign document. Open the Data Merge panel from the Window menu, then select your prepared data source. You'll see your field names listed. Simply drag and drop these fields onto your InDesign page to create placeholders. You can format these placeholders just like any other text, adjusting fonts, sizes, and colors. Use the Preview option in the Data Merge panel to cycle through your data records and ensure everything looks perfect before the final merge. Finally, it's time to perform the merge and export your documents. Click the Create Merge Document icon in the Data Merge panel. You can choose to merge all records or a specific range. InDesign will generate a new document containing all your merged pages. Carefully check for any overset text, adjusting frames as needed. You can then export this new document as a multi-page PDF for printing, or as individual InDesign files, if further editing is required for each unique document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.